In a cozy garden full of sunshine lived Kira, a tiny kitten with a heart full of wonder.
Oh no! That little bird looks scared! Help! Help!
Before Kira could think, the baby bird was falling fast.
Gotcha!
Her paws were tiny, but her courage was huge.
Thank you! You saved me!
You're safe now, little one.
Kira,
Are you all right?
that was very brave.
I couldn't let it fall.
Bravery isn't in your size. Oh, it's in your heart.
Step by step, Kira carried the little one home.
Mama, the kitten saved me.
Thank you, brave Kira. The whole garden cheered for the tiniest hero.
Even the smallest paws can do great things when guided by love.
A gift for my brave friend. Thank you, Pip. I'll treasure it forever.
And as the day ended, her heart shone brighter than the sunset itself.
Bravery isn't about being big. It's about being kind.
My brave little kitten.
And my brave little bird friend.
Thanks for watching The Brave Little Kitten. Remember, kindness makes even the smallest hearts brave.